So besides IPC and CRPC, the Disaster Management Act has also been invoked, and we will use those specific sections which are cognizable and which are relevant to control all this COVID. I will try to explain you these sections in Konkani for the benefit of public in general. तातूंत सेक्शन 51 आसा 51A, wherein जे आमचे पब्लीक सर्वंट which will तातूंत पुलीस येतले, मागीर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स येतले, डॉक्टर सगळे ज्या लोकांक जर कोणी ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट केले while discharging duties, that will be an cognizable offence and action can be taken against them. Secondly, जी directions दिता, maybe police, maybe government authorities, maybe workers at healthcare centers, maybe doctors, तांची जर objections, तांची instructions जर defy केली, still it will be an cognizable offence and action can be taken against them. मागीर सेक्शन 52 आसा, तातूंत कोणें जर फॉल्स क्लेम केले गव्हर्मेंटाचे फंड्स एम्बेजलमेंट करपाक, जाल्यार ताजेर एक्शन घेवपाक आनी ताका पनिशमेंट आसा 2 years with fine. सो तशेंच गव्हर्मेंट जे फंड्स येता, फंड्स एलोकेट जाता टू कंट्रोल कोवीड, नाजाल्यार आर्टिकल्स वस्तू बिस्तू ज्यो अलॉट जाता त्यो जर मिसएप्रोप्रिएट केल्यो जाल्यार ताका परत पनिशमेंट आसा. वी कॅन टेक डायरेक्ट एक्शन आनी ताका 2 years ऑफ पनिशमेंट आनी फायन आसा. तशेंच आमी पयल्या खूब रुमर मॉंगर्स आसा, फॉल्स मेसेजीस पब्लीश करता व्हॉट्सएप नाल्यार सोशल मिडिया यूज करून लोक पॅनिकी जाता आनी फॉल्स वॉर्निंग्स जनरेट करता. इवन तांचे अगेन्स्ट आमी एक्शन घेतले आनीक तांकांय पनिशमेंट आसा ऑन कन्विक्शन. दे कॅन बी जेल्ड फॉर 1 year with fine. So also the head of the department should be very responsible. तांची जबाबदारी आसा. Suppose head of the department also fails in their duties as per section 55, action can be initiated against certain departments if they fail in their earmarked duties. तांचेरय एक्शन लायबल आसा. तशेंच जे ऑफिसर जे नॉमिनेट केल्या गव्हर्मेंटान काम करपाक, let it be in medical field, let it be in revenue field, let it be in police department, if they fail while discharging their duties, action can be initiated against them also and they are liable for punishment. Besides, government shall issue several orders to control flow of certain material, magir conduct of people, and if they violate any such orders issued by competent authority, they shall be liable for punishment of 1 year with fine. तशेंच companies आसा, company should take care of their staff and their management should be responsible and behave in very responsible manner. तांचेरय खुबशे rules and regulation आसा आनी ते disaster management वेळार if they falter in their mandatory provisions, there can be offences against companies also. So basically these are the sections from 51 to 58 of Disaster Management Act which will be invoked and specifically to control this COVID menace. Thank you.